we're going to do a comparison between the two different coils that come on the pulse dive. The pulse dive is a machine I've used in two of our previous videos to find a couple rings underwater using our hookah rig. So let's take a look and see how these two coils compare, and let's see if the 8-inch coil, which is this one here, is worthwhile purchasing over just using a 4-inch coil. We'll find out shortly. Guys, this is the 4-inch coil we're going to test. Just so you know, I have this at the 5th level, which is the highest level of sensitivity. This has 5 levels. And as you can see, this came from Myers Metal Detectors, who also gave us this little ruler to use. Okay, let's do a penny.
That's where you get this from.
Looks like around 3 inches. Again. Yep, 3 inches. Okay, now we're going to use a nickel. It looks like right around 2.5 inches. Let's try a dime. Looks like 2 inches. Okay, now we're doing a quarter with the 4-inch coil. So it looks like we're around 3.5 inches. Very light silver ring. Looks like about 3 inches. Do another silver ring with some gemstones in it. Okay, looks like 3.25 inches. A little bigger silver ring. Okay, looks like about 2.5 inches. Much larger silver ring. Okay, looks like 3.25.
One.
Last item's going to be a 925 religious pendant. Two 2.5 inches. Okay, these are all ring finds, and this one is tagged. This is a 14K wedding band, 2.6 grams. Let's see what this does. Right at 3 inches. This is a 14K ring at 3.4 grams. A little more gold. Let's see what it does.
And a nice sapphire.
Looks like 2.5. Okay, this is my wedding band. This is 14K, and this is 10 or 11 grams. Pretty heavy. Let's see what this does. Looks like 4 inches. So the big ring's 4 inches. Now we're going to use my wife's engagement ring, and this has a lot of diamonds, so let's see how this affects the machine. Here we go. Looks like right about 3 inches. And this is 14K gold. The next ring is a 10-carat ring. This is 3.1 grams. Also a find. Just under 3 inches, probably 2 3/4 inches. Okay, this is the last ring on the 4-inch coil. This is a tungsten carbide ring. Let's see what this does. 4.5 inches. Okay, now we're using the 8-inch coil, which is the optional coil that you can purchase at Phil Myers Metal Detectors, and we are going to test a penny.
Oh.
Looks like 6 3/4 inches on a penny. Okay, now we're going to do a nickel. Actually starts at 8 inches. And we're going to say 7.5 to be safe here. That's where it really starts picking it up. Now we're going to do a dime. Looks like 5.5 inches on a dime. Now we're going to do a quarter. Seven inches on a quarter. Small silver ring. Looks like right around 8 inches.
Go.
Medium-sized silver ring with some stones in it. 8 inches. Little larger ring with 1 stone in it, silver. 7 inches on that one. Okay, there's my biggest silver ring. Looks like 8 inches. It starts chirping around 9, but at 8 inches you really hear it. Now we're doing a pendant, silver pendant. Looks like 6 inches. $14K wedding band. 8 inches. Also a 14K, a little bigger, a little more weight to it with some stones in it. Seven inches. This is my wedding band, which is about 10 or 11 grams, 14 karat. 8 inches. Now my wife's ring. A lot of stones in it. It's also 14K. 6.5 inches. This is a 10 karat gold ring. Looks like 7 inches. Last one is the tungsten ring. 8.5 inches. Okay, so here's our test items. The coins we used, the silver and the gold, as well as the tungsten ring. And keep in mind, this was not done underwater. Typically underwater, this would go deeper. So I would expect we'll do a test sometime in the near future, just to see how deep it goes underwater with selected targets.